Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add a video link right into your Gmail signature. It's a super simple way to make your emails, a bit more engaging and maybe even more personal. First, open your Gmail account in your browser. Up in the top right corner, you'll see a little gear icon. That's your settings. Go ahead and click it. Then choose See All Settings from the drop down. Now in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section called Signature. It's usually about halfway down, so just keep scrolling till you spot it. Once you're there, click the button that says Create New. Gmail will ask you to give your signature a name. This is just for your own reference, so type something simple like Video Sig and hit Create. Now you'll see a text box where you can type your actual signature. Go ahead and add your name, title, company, whatever details you normally include. To add your video, type a little call to action like watch our latest video here. Then highlight that phrase. Down at the bottom of the box, click the link icon. It looks like a small chain link. A window will pop up asking for a URL. Paste in your video link, then hit apply. Almost done. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. That's it. Now, whenever you send an email, your video link will appear automatically in your signature, and that's all there is to it. Now your Gmail messages include a clean signature with a clickable video link. It's a quick little upgrade that, honestly, can make your email stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.